In most states, in order to maintain a license to drive, you should have some form of automobile insurance coverage. This is true whether or not you actually own a car. So if you are a licensed driver without your own vehicle, you can obtain non-owner car insurance. With the rising cost of gasoline, many people are choosing not to own automobiles. Those who live in more urban areas have the option of utilizing public transportation. Many people who live in the suburbs, or even very rural areas, are carpooling or sharing rides. Believe it or not, some people are entering into group ownership of an automobile. A group of people get together to buy a vehicle which they own cooperatively. Each person takes turn using the car, or scheduling to use it when needed. Whether you drive occasionally in a carpool, or they have joint ownership of a vehicle that you drive on occasion, being covered by insurance is crucial. This is also true when you're renting a car, or maybe rent a moving truck. You should carry some form of liability coverage, at the very least. While most states require that drivers carry liability coverages, these only cover the damage you might do to another vehicle. Additional coverage against uninsured, underinsured motorists is especially recommended, as it is not uncommon for other drivers to carry liability with only the minimum limits. If you are in an accident with an older car, whose drivers often have inadequate liability protection, you will be glad to have more extensive coverage on your personal non-owner car insurance policy. Personal injury protection and medical payments coverage are two additional forms of protection in which you may wish to invest, so that you and your passengers are covered for injuries experienced during an accident. This is a particularly important coverage for those involved in carpools, as the driver is liable for any injury sustained in an accident that is their own fault. If you are a signatory on an outstanding car loan, even if you are a consignee for someone else, then the bank will insist that their asset, the car, be covered by comprehensive and collision policies. This coverage is highly recommended for a new car, too, whether or not it is under a bank lien. The expense of repairs for basic physical damage on a new auto can be quite hefty. These are some key reasons why you might want to obtain a personal non-owner car insurance policy. Want to find out more about cheap insurance? www.cheapinsuranceinsures.com. Visit Cameron Mickleton's site and learn about the best deductions available on non-owner car insurance. www.cheapinsuranceinsures.com web link, for your budget. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.